Alright guys, if you're trying to open Valorant and you're getting this message, this version of Vanguard requires Secure Boot to be enabled in order to play. Don't worry, this basically means your Secure Boot is turned off and Vanguard needs it on. So let me show you the easiest way to fix it. First, we need to go into the BIOS, so just restart your PC, and while it's restarting, keep pressing the delete key. For some people it might be F2, F10 or F12 depending on the motherboard, but most systems use the delete key, so try that first. Now once you're inside the BIOS, a lot of people make this mistake. They try to enable Secure Boot directly, but if you do that, it will show an error and it won't let you enable it. So don't worry, that's normal. The first thing we actually need to enable is factory key provisioning. Just find the option called factory key provision or install default secure boot keys and turn it on. This basically loads the default secure boot keys your motherboard needs, and look for CSM. You need to disable CSM completely. After disabling it, click save and exit and let your PC restart. Once your PC restarts, go back into the BIOS again the same way. Now go to the security tab, and this time you will be able to enable secure boot without any error. Just turn it on, save the changes and restart your PC again, and that's it. Now when you launch Valorant, the secure boot error will be gone, Vanguard will load properly, and the game will run without any issues. So yeah, that's the full fix for this version of Vanguard Requires Secure Boot. Super simple, just follow the steps and you're done.